Good morning, students.
Good
Good morning,
morning,
sir.
sir.
So, how are you all today?
Fine, sir.
Fine, sir.
Good. I am also fine. Okay. So, we'll start the class. By the way, what is the date today?
3rd of August 2021, sir.
Okay, thank you. Date?
3rd of August
Date?
2021.
3rd of August 2021. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you know what is the subject?
Political science, sir.
Yes. Thank you. I am a political science teacher. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Political science. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Topic. I'm not writing. Okay. I will introduce to you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. So I will show you the PPT in order to introduce the topic. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay. Just wait for a while. Yes. I have written my details. Okay. On the screen. Welcome
Yes,
to the
sir.
political science class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you see the picture?
Yes,
Image?
sir. Very
Yes,
much.
sir. Very much.
Yes. In the image, what do you see?
We
Human
see
beings,
people
sir.
standing, sir.
Standing in queue.
Yes, standing in
Queue.
line. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Below, some things are written. Can you read them out?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you read?
Manjit Kaur, teacher.
Yeah.
Teja Singh, trader. Girish Rao, student.
Yes.
Kanta Devi, domestic worker.
Yes.
Sujata Kumari, domestic worker.
Yes. Good reading. So here there are different people of different professions, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. But they are standing in
Line.
how they are standing?
They are standing in queue, sir.
They are standing in queue. They are standing in line. Okay.
Some are standing in a stylish way, sir.
Yes. So what does it show? What does it show? Different people, different professions, but they are in same line, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
What does it show?
Equality, sir.
Yes,
sir.
you're right. Equality. Though they are different people of different professions, but they are standing in same line. It shows equality. So students, today we will study about the topic on equality.
Equality.
Yes. On equality. On equality. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. So I have prepared a model for you, okay? In order to
Yes,
make
sir.
you understand and in order to give you the correct idea about equality, okay?
Yes, sir.
Can you see the model?
Yes, sir.
Very nice,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Very nice, sir.
Yes, good. What do you find here?
There is a measurement tool, sir.
Yes, weighing tool.
Weighing tool. Yes,
Isn't
sir.
it?
Yes,
Weighing
sir.
tool, and it shows equality. It symbolizes equality. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. May I keep this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, very nice, sir. You have prepared so well, sir.
Yes, thank you. So you will understand the topic better, okay?
Yes, sir.
This is the real topic, okay? This is from class 9th, chapter 1, okay? On equality. You can see also here, weighing tool, okay? Both the side it is
Equal, sir.
Okay, good. So, before I go to the topic, I have prepared synopsis for you, okay? I will read it out. Synopsis. what is equality? Equal right to vote. Important provisions in the Constitution on equality based on Article 15. Fourth, steps taken by government to implement equality. Fifth, does equality exist? At last, issues of equality in other democracies. Okay, we will learn them in detail. Okay, so here, what is equality? Equality is a condition in which adequate opportunities are given to all. Can you repeat? Equality
is
is a condition in which adequate opportunities are given to all. Okay, irrespective of caste, color, race, all are given equal opportunity to make their all-round development. That is called
Equality.
Yes, very good. In other sense, right to equality is one of the fundamental rights to the Indian Constitution. This means that every person who lives within territory of India has the equal right before the law. The meaning of this, all are equal in same line, no discrimination based on religion, race, caste, sex, and place of birth. It means that all will be treated as equality among equal, and there will be no discrimination based on lower or higher class. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
As we live in democratic countries, there are different religions, different race, different linguistic people, but they are treated as equal among all. Is it clear to you?
Yes, Yes, sir.
Yes, good. Next point, equal right to vote. This is one of the best examples of equality. Okay? In a democratic country like India, adults, irrespective of their religion, caste, education, economic status, or place of birth, are given the right to vote under universal adult franchise. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, in democratic country, those who have completed the age of 18 have the right to voting. They will get the right to voting. Okay, and they will select their representative. That is called universal adult franchise. This is one of the best example of equality. Okay, universal adult franchise is one of the best examples of
Equality.
Yes. Third point, important provisions in the Constitution on equality based on Article 15. Okay, what does this article say? Every person is equal before law. Every person residing in the territory of India is equal before law, irrespective of caste, creed, color, and religion. All are equal. No person can be discriminated against on the basis of their religion, race, caste, and gender. Here in India, we have different religions, okay? Hinduism, Christianity, Muslim, Parsi, Buddhism, like that, okay? Race, we have different race. Aryans, Dravidians. Caste also, we have different castes. Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. Okay, these are different castes. We have also different genders, male, female, transgender, okay? But they are also to be treated equally. Every person has access to all public places, including playground, shop, market, shop, hotels. All person can use public wells, roads, and other public places. But before independence, before India got independence, what we saw, only the high caste people were enjoying the privileges of these places. Okay. But after independence, what we see, even the low castes, outcasts have access to use these facilities, public wells, roads, and other public places. They have also access to use them, okay? Because on the basis of equality. Untouchability is abolished, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, there is no untouchability. Here, untouchability means a particular class or particular group of people are looked down upon by the other class or other group of people because of their birth, because of their background. They are looked down upon. But now, this is no more. It is abolished. And equality is seen in our country, okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Next point we'll see steps taken by government to implement equality. This is the role of the government to implement equality. Initiatives of the government to implement equality. Okay. The two ways in which the government has tried to implement the equality that is guaranteed in the constitution. These are two ways. Okay. First is through the laws, okay, through the laws. Through the laws means India has constitution, and constitution has given the right, that is called fundamental rights, okay, right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to educational, right to constitutional remedies. These 7 rights are guaranteed by the constitution, okay, and through this all citizens are entitled to have their right, okay. So India, especially constitution, gives them this provision, the right to abide by. Next point is second through government programs or schemes, okay. One of the steps taken by the government includes the midday meal schemes, okay, midday meal schemes, okay.
Yes, sir.
Next would be Pradhan Mantri Vandana Yojana, National Nutrition Abhiyan, okay. Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao.
Bachao.
These are the schemes or yojanas that are implemented by the government to promote equality. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Next we see, does equality exist? Does equality exist? This is for our reflection and reflective study, okay. In reality, difference exists between rich and the poor. Yes, we have so many educations, so much of enlightenment, still inequality exists on the basis of rich and poor, okay. Rich people always have the better facilities and poor people still look for the better facilities. So this inequality still exists. Caste system is also rigid, okay. Caste system is also rigid, high class, low class. So there is gap among them, okay. Third, Dalits in India and minorities are denied the right to dignity and equality. Okay, though we speak of so much about equality, but still we have this issue that there is inequality among the people, okay, in society. I have shown you the picture, okay. You can see how minorities are looked down upon, poor, outcast, downtrodden people, how they are looked down upon. So there is still inequality exists, okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is our role here? As we are studying to change the society. When you grow, when you become successful in life, keep in mind that we should eradicate this inequality. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Next point, we have issues of equality in other democracies. Okay? Problems of equality in other democracies. In many democratic countries around the world, the issue of equality continues to be the key issue around which communities struggle. For example, in the United States of America, the African Americans whose ancestors were slaves who were brought over from Africa continue to describe their lives today as largely unequal. They are treated extremely unequal in the USA and denied equality through the law. Okay? Americans and African American. We can see the example here, okay? Anti-apartheid movement and bury apartheid. Okay? Anti-apartheid movement is racial discrimination. Discrimination based on skin color. This is anti-apartheid movement. Black students are punished more harshly and more frequently than white students for the same offenses. This is on the issue of equality. Okay, black students and white students, how they are treated for the same offense. Okay, the other side, bury apartheid. Here we can see Martin Luther King. Martin Luther King was a great leader, a great speaker, a great humanitarian who stood for the African American people who were brought from Africa to America and how they were treated. And they stood by them. They told them the path of Satya and Ahimsa. Satya and Ahimsa, okay? To fight and get the right in peaceful manner. He told them. And we see the Civil Rights Act of 1964 prohibited discrimination on the basis of race, religion, or national origin. It also stated that all schools would be open to African American children and that they would no longer have to attend separate schools specially set up for them. So, this is how equality is brought. In USA, the civil rights movement of 1960s restored the dignity of Afro-American based on color. This is how, after a great struggle, the dignity and equality was brought. And we have got two slogans. You can see, do not be silent, do not be violent. Can you repeat? Do not be silent, do not be violent. The other side, we all bleed the same color, one nation, one people. Can you repeat? We all bleed the same color, one nation, one people. Good. Good reading. Good proclamation. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I will conclude with the saying of Martin Luther King. Okay,
Yes, sir.
I have a dream that my 4 little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin but by the content of their character. This powerful message was given by whom?
Martin Luther King.
Martin Luther King. Okay? So,
Yes,
students,
sir.
you must have understood the lesson. Okay? Now,
Yes,
I would
sir.
like you to go for a silent reading, a short reflection. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Then I will ask you some questions. You must have done it. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, I have some questions for you. What is equality? Can you answer in your own words?
Equality means equal before law in spite of different caste creeds, sir.
Yes. Good answer. Good answer. Good try. Equality is a condition in which adequate opportunities are given to all. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second question. Equal right to vote, that is also known as universal adult franchise. Okay?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by adult franchise?
Not getting, sir.
What do you mean
Forgot.
by universal adult franchise with regard to voting?
All have the right to vote, sir.
Yes. Those who have completed?
18.
18 years.
Yes, those who have completed
18 years
18
of
years
age.
of age, they have the right to
Vote.
vote. Yes, this is called universal adult franchise. Okay? Very good, students. You have understood the lesson. So, before I conclude, I would give you a home assignment. Okay?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Home assignment is, what do you understand by the term all persons are equal before the law? Why do you think it is important in a democracy? Okay?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Do it very reflectively and show it to me. Okay? In the next class, we'll see the next lesson. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for having listening to me very patiently. We'll see in the next class.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.